We're going to show our Dreha roof air conditioner. This is a 120 volt air conditioner that actually has a heat pump in it, and it's not a heat strip. It's actually a heat pump that blows air conditioning outside and the heat inside. So we're about 48 degrees this morning, and I've got this running at 65 degrees. It's very comfortable in here, and this is blowing out heat now, and quite a bit of heat. I can actually, on this here, I can turn up the temperature by just hitting the plus, and this will blow out a lot more heat, and it'll get it to 69 degrees. When it does this, it'll actually turn off when it gets to temperature and shut completely down, and the compressor gets to temperature so fast it hardly ever runs. And I've seen 24 hours of runtime on our battery bank with this air conditioner, even on the heat mode. So, you know, when it comes to batteries and running air conditioners and things like that, it's how often does the compressor turn on, and that's how long your battery bank can run this. So the more the compressor turns off, the longer it runs. To set this, we have different modes. If I hit mode, this little dot here is on a sun, that's heat. It'll go to circulation, it'll go to air condition, it'll go to dehydrate, which you see raindrops. So by hitting mode, you can go to the different modes that this does. It's also a great dehumidifier for the south. And then I can do fan speed. It's on low right now, and usually that's all you need. And turning it off is just touching this. So when I hit this, you'll see these go in. And it's slow what it does, so it's going to do that, and then those are going to close as it shuts down, and you know it's turning off. When it turns on, I've learned I have to watch those because it's so slow and it doesn't have any peak amps from that. It turns on very, very slow. If it was on air conditioning just then instead of heat, it actually would have waited a while before it shut off, because it's going to use every bit of that cooling of the condenser before it shuts down, and it doesn't shut down immediately, which is a really nice feature. You also have manual controls here to control this. You can open this up or close it and dump the air on you, or stop the air from blowing right on you, then it'll blow out of each end. So you do have a lot of control of it. We do have filters that slide right out, and you can clean these in your sink. They're just static filters that are really easy to deal with, and they just slide right back in again. Get that in there. Very easy to do. And then we make the controller just hang right here on the wall, so it's right here when you need it.